Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going to show you guys 4 different types of hairstyle which y'all can make in just 2 minutes without using any hairstyling tool. And to make this hairstyle, y'all don't have to be a professional hairstylist. So without further ado, let's get started. In order to make the first hairstyle, all you have to do is to divide your hair into two sections in a middle parting as shown in the demonstration. After that, take one section of your hair and take a little hair from that one section and divide it into three different parts, and one by one start taking a little strand of your hair from the front of your face and keep adding it in the braid by overlapping each strand of your hair with one another till you achieve the braided effect. And secure it with a hair clip. And repeat the same process on the other section of your hair as well. And yeah, there you go. Your first hairstyle is ready. Hairstyle number 2. Well, this hairstyle many people will find it funny, but trust me, if you will carry it confidently, you will make this hairstyle a worth. In order to make the second hairstyle, all you have to do is to divide your hair into two sections similar to hairstyle number 1, and from that one section take a little hair and tie it into a bun as shown in the demonstration. And secure it with a hairpin. Repeat the same process on the other section of your hair as well. And yeah, there you go. Your second hairstyle is ready. Moving on to the third hairstyle, which is a bun. In order to make this hairstyle, all you have to do is to take the entire hair upwards like a ponytail and twist it to make it a bun, and then secure it with a hairpin. And yeah, there you go. Your third hairstyle is ready. Moving on to the fourth hairstyle, which is my favorite hairstyle. So in order to make this hairstyle, all you have to do is to take the entire hair on one side of your shoulder and start braiding it similar to hairstyle number 1. And secure it with a hairpin. Now moving on to the bottom of your hair. So at the bottom of your hair, it will be a twisted braid. So in order to make the twisted braid, all you have to do is to divide your hair into two parts and keep twisting the two parts by overlapping it with one another till the bottom of your hair. And secure the bottom with a hairpin. And yeah, there you go. Your fourth and the last hairstyle is ready. I hope that my today's video was helpful to you all in some way or the other, and if it did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and subscribing to my channel is absolutely free. So yeah, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on my social media. That's it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.